Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson at MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm doing a video walkthrough of our 2024 Bennington L Series. This has a Yamaha 150 with the new lily pad, easy up and down fold ladder, ski tow bar. It's the swing back layout, so this seat back will go forward and back depending on which side you want to sit on it. It's got the nice gate here to close off. Over here at the helm, we got the Rockford Fosgate sound system. We got the RGB lighting package. We got the 5-inch Simrad. It does have the L-shaped layout with the nice table here that you can remove. Great long bow seats on the front, nice long radius bench seats. And as you can see, it has the cutout here. You can put stuff back in there. It's got these movable cup holders that go in there, speakers, chargers. We did the silver Simtex with the graphite accent on this boat, and it's got the new beautiful blue coloring and the blackout package. So all the rails on this boat, as you can see up on the bimini and on the railing, internal and external on this boat are blacked out. Really beautiful boat. Come on out to MarineMax and take a look at this Bennington 2024 L Series with the 150. We have a lot of other Benningtons in inventory, and guys, we have our boat show coming up January 25th through January 28th. So come on out. We're going to have a great lineup of Benningtons there. Thank you.